My septic tank is literally under my house and it's causing a total mess every time it rains. Here's what you gotta know if you're stuck in this nightmare too. So, first off, if your septic tank is under your home, you're in a tricky spot, but don't panic just yet. The best move is to get a flushable transmitter bean that travels through your pipes and helps pinpoint the exact tank location, the super clutch for tight spaces. Once you find the tank, you gotta locate both lids, the inlet and the outlet, because pumping or repairs need access to both spots. If there's no crawl space or clearance, you might have to dig by hand or cut into your floor framing to make trapdoors, which sucks but sometimes can't be avoided. Installing risers on the lids can save you headaches later because they bring the lids up to ground or floor level for easier access. If pumping isn't an option, you might have to consider relocating the whole septic system outside, which is a big job but could be cheaper long-term than constant backups. Also, don't forget to pump your tank every 3 to 5 years to avoid clogs and backups, rain or no rain. Lastly, if your septic system is old and made of metal, you might have to remove it entirely because it can collapse and cause serious hazards. One of the biggest mistakes with septic tanks under houses is ignoring regular maintenance. People forget pumping schedules and end up with backups every storm. To fix that, set reminders to pump your tank regularly and inspect the system yearly. Another common issue is poor access. No easy way to get to the lids means delays and higher repair costs. The fix? Cut access trapdoors or install risers so pros can reach the tank without tearing your house apart. Lastly, many don't realize how much rainwater pooling near the septic can cause backups because it saturates the soil around the drain field. You want to improve yard drainage and keep water away from your system to prevent this problem. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource if you're trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle crazy septic situations like this. For contractors looking to get real work from homeowners dealing with tough home issues, BigHomeProjects.com connects you with people who need your skills right now.